Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate marketing. Are you ready to go? What's next? Which of the following statements about affiliate marketing describe where you are? 1. You know what affiliate marketing is. 2. You understand that affiliate marketing can produce a good income for you. 3. You believe in your ability to make money selling other people's stuff on the internet. 4. You're not exactly sure of what you should do first, where you should invest your money or how to move from learning to earning. If this is where you're at, you're not alone. Every day, thousands of people launch into affiliate marketing in exactly the same place, ready to give it an honest try and ready to see results. The truth is that for every 1,000 people who give affiliate marketing a try, only a handful will actually succeed in making any real money. Who makes it? Who doesn't? And what is the magic difference? The answers are going to surprise you. They definitely surprised me. The gurus of affiliate marketing, like all business success stories, were the first to discover and fully harness the incredible money-making opportunities available. Today's market of affiliate marketing is crowded and competitive. You will work harder and longer today to make a fraction of what many made overnight when the business was young. So does that mean you're a day late and $1 short when it comes to affiliate marketing? Absolutely not. Especially if the following description is an honest assessment of who you are. It might be helpful to share this with those who know you best and ask if they see some of these same qualities in you. Successful affiliate marketers are intelligent, computer and internet savvy, they are perseverant and are committed to the business well beyond the minutes-a-day promotional pitches. Using the tools available, they're able to track and maintain literally tens of thousands of pieces of information. They're organized, they're creative and they're optimistic. The road can be long and frustrating. The magic difference between those who succeed and those who don't can be found in their personalities, their brainpower and their willingness to work very hard. So you're still ready to go? What's next? Where is the best place to dive in? Resources, resources, resources. Get started with the best resources available. Don't reinvent the wheel, learn from those that have gone before you. But also remember that in any business, you will bring your own ideas and creativity to the table, so don't be afraid to use them. Avoid the cookie-cutter approach to affiliate marketing. As you move forward, you'll make many more important decisions. Should you launch your own websites? What kind of advertising will you utilize? How will you continue to get expert advice and training as you go along? All of these questions will require you to sort through the myriad of resources out there. Affiliate marketing advantage exists to navigate the jungle alongside of you. KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provide multi-tier/multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. If any of you ever have any questions, please contact me or leave me a comment and I will do my best to answer it. I hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net